Meaning of grassroots.
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 Grassroots. The term grassroots refers to the lowest level of a social or political organization, typically comprising ordinary people without formal leadership positions or significant resources. Grassroots movements are often initiated by individuals who are passionate about a particular cause and seek to effect change through collective action. Such movements can be highly effective in mobilizing public opinion and achieving tangible outcomes, particularly when they are sustained over an extended period and enjoy broad-based support from the community. The term grassroots is frequently used in political discourse, where it is typically associated with progressive causes and democratic values.